flooding's probably on Webb Creek. Most of it is just simply the fact that the debris is piling up and it's altering the direction the stream is flowing, and that's more than anything what's transpiring. You know, some places it could be going under the bridge just perfect for 5 or 10 minutes, and then all of a sudden you would get some debris build up somewhere, and just like that, the stream channels, the flow is switched. It could be anywhere then. That's where the water was this morning. Now,